Hello my friends. To celebrate the channel reaching 500 subscribers, today I have 5 exciting announcements for you. First, today begins the relaunch of this channel. I haven't posted in a few months, so it's been a while. There is a reason for that, which I'll get into shortly, but the bottom line is that I'm going to start posting the same style of videos again. Next, as you've likely noticed, the channel has been renamed from coin flags to token flags. That's because, technically speaking, 99% of cryptos are tokens, not coins. If you're not familiar with the difference between the two, basically, coins live on their own blockchain, so Bitcoin and Ethereum are coins, but tokens live on a borrowed blockchain. Ethereum can have thousands of tokens, but only one coin, which is Ether. So the reason I haven't been posting is that, behind the scenes, I've partnered with Theodore over at Whiteboard Crypto. He found my Platypus Finance video, and he liked it so much that he wanted me to make a 10-video course on fundamental analysis for his Whiteboard Crypto Club. I decided to prioritize that course over this channel, but since the course is nearly complete, I can start allocating time to this channel again. The Whiteboard Crypto Club is a paid membership, but if you do decide to join, you'll be able to watch the course. If you join, you can also chat with me in the Fundamental Analysis channel of the club's Discord. Something I'm really excited about is that I just started a Substack newsletter called Token Theorist. Token flags will stay focused on detecting scams, but Token Theorist is for those who want to determine the intrinsic value of a token. It's for those who want to go deeper than scam detection, but we'll cover that too. You can subscribe for free at tokentheorist.com. I'm tentatively planning to post every Friday. Lastly, to go along with the newsletter, I've started a Token Theorist Twitter account. Twitter is really a necessity if you want to keep up with the crypto industry, so even if you don't post anything, I recommend at least following a few crypto thought leaders. Okay, that's all I have. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section if you have any thoughts. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.